Hi, I'm Shri. Welcome to my channel. This video is about unboxing and installing Tasmanian floor mats. I had been waiting for about a month for them to get delivered, and it finally arrived this weekend. It has been raining a lot for the past couple of weeks in California, and I was a little bit concerned whenever I take a tank on hikes because it can get muddy. So now I have these mats. I don't have to worry about cleaning up the car really well because these mats make cleaning pretty easy. It was about a month-long wait. I ordered it in sometime in January and it got here yesterday. I have seen it come in a box, but for me it was just wrapped in this white cover. It's going to be raining all weekend, so I'm going to unwrap this and set it outside so that it has some time to settle. Oh, it smells. Hope it doesn't stink up the apartment. I think this is the second row floor mat. This must be the trunk one. This must be the trunk. This must be the front. Trunk. This is the driver's side floor mat, I think. Oh, or this one must be the driver's side floor mat since it has this indentation. So that was that. Overall, there are 6 pieces. I have laid them flat on the ground. I'm going to let them settle for 12 hours. I live in an apartment in San Francisco, so I don't have a lot of space. So I have laid them all over my apartment. They stink a little bit. Some kind of a chemical smell. I see if it's nice, but there is a gap here. I don't know if there is supposed to be a gap, but I'm fine with this. This is how it fit here. That's how it fit in here. Fits in nicely. That fits nicely. I see a little bit of it's coming up a little bit here. I don't know if it's supposed to be that way or if I'm supposed to remove this layer. I don't think so. Maybe it will settle down after a while. Tank, can you check out the trunk? Can you test it out? Yes. Good job. Good job, buddy. Nice. This is one of my favorite features of this car. Tank had troubles getting into second row of Prius. This one he likes it a lot.